children, welcome to English class. Children, we are in block 12, lesson number 2, questions about places. Keywords are where, place, question. Yes children. Children, today we are learning questions about places. Okay children. So today our question word. Yes children, you all have learnt in your first class also question words. Yes children, do you remember? Where, what, when, why, who. Yes children, we have learnt all the question words. Today we are discussing more about where. Where is a question word. Okay children, where do you come from? In our story, we Indians, we have learned the story. Yes children, today also you have to read the story. Okay, here Meenakshi, she is coming from Tamil Nadu. Okay, where do you come from? So we will write here one Tamil Nadu. Okay, and then where do I come from children? For example, I come from Telangana. Okay children. Okay, and in our classroom most of the children are from Bengal children. Okay, so we will write one of the place Bengal also. Fine, and from our lesson we will take Raju Patel. He is from Gujarat. Let us write here Gujarat. Okay, so here word web, we are using the word web children. So what is here center? We are asking where do you come from? We come from different states. Yes children, we all come from different places. For example, Meenakshi, I think in our story she is from Tamil Nadu. Sorry children, myself, most of us in the class also from Telangana only. Okay, he is our children, our classmates are more from Bengal. Yes, we have more children from Bengal, and some children or Raju Patel or some of our class students are also from Gujarat. There are so many places in India where we come from. Okay children, so what is special about our Telangana children? We stay in Telangana. Yes children, in Hyderabad. Okay, so what is famous here children? Yes, Charminar is famous. Yes children, you all know Charminar. Okay, it's a beautiful monument. Okay, and Tangband is famous. Yes children, and what else is famous? Birla temple, Birla Mandir is famous. Okay, so we have some places famous in each and every state. In Tamil Nadu also there will be special places. In Bengal also special places. Gujarat also will have special places. So today we are learning question word where. Yes children, here we have questions. Where do you study? In our story also this question is given children. Badal Ghosh, if you see that para, so he study, I study at Shanti Niketan is there. So that point also, that answer we can write here, or anything else also we can write. So here question word is where. So where question word, when do we use? We use to find out a place. Where do you live? Yes children, what is the question? Where do you live? So we are finding out where the person is living. Hyderabad, Secunderabad, it can be anywhere, Park Lane. So what we are finding? We are finding the place. Here where question word helps us to find the place. Where do you study? I study in Shanti Niketan. Next question, see children. Where do you go? Where do you go for your holidays? So here also we are finding the place children. So answer is I go to Gujarat for my holidays. This place we can say anything children. In our story what the place they have given, when we are asking Kashmir they have given. Okay children. So where question word we use to find out a place. Children, now we have answer. We have to make question for this answer. Now children, I am going to market. If answer, what is this? This is not question. I am going to market. So what the question will be? Where are you going? Okay, like that the question will be. Now let us see this answer children. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. Okay, this is answer. So how we have to write the question? Do you remember children? My name is Nusrat. So how the question will start? What is your name? So here place is there. Whenever we'll have place, So which question word we will use? Where. Very good. We use where. Where is the Taj Mahal? The question will come like this. Okay, children? And then we have to put question mark. Where is the Taj Mahal? So answer will be the Taj Mahal is in Agra. Okay, where are you going? I am going to cinema hall, I am going to market, it can be anywhere. If we get the answer, okay, I am going to movie. So what the question will be, how you will ask the question? Yes, cinema hall they are going to watch the movie. So where are you going? Okay children, understood? Clear? Children, now all of you all open your workbook children, page number 21. Okay children? Yes, here you have to write the date. S2, questions about places. Okay children? First bit, write 3 questions with where. Ask these questions to your friends. Write their answers. Now children, we are not in the classroom. I will give you question and answer also children. Okay? Listen to me carefully. Question. Where? So we have to complete it. Where do you come from? If you are asking your friend, you have to ask to your friend. So she will reply. What they will reply, your friends? I come from Telangana, or I come from Maharashtra, I come from Bengal, I come from Gujarat. Okay children? So first one is this. Now come to question number 2 children. Where do you study? Okay, so answer. I study in Maharashtra. I study in Park Lane. I study in Gujarat. Like that the answer will be children. Okay. Now third question is children. Where? Question is given here. Question word is given where. So we have to frame the questions. Where do you go for your holidays? Question mark. Answer. I go to Gujarat for my holidays. Children, here where are the common nouns? We have used capital letter. Okay children. Now let us come to the second bit children. Here we have to write the question for the given answer. The sweets are in the cupboard. So we have to write the question. Okay, where are the sweets? Okay children, clear all of you? Yes children? Yes children, now all of you all open your classwork books children. Yes, we have to write meanings. Keywords we have already finished. Okay, meaning, subheading, like this you have to underline. Fine children? Meanings are given in page number 80 children. From there also you can copy. With the help of reader also you can copy. Here, from here. How is the meaning? No, till here is the meaning. You can write till from here to here. Okay. Chalo. Now let us see children. What are the meanings? How? A question word used when we want to know the way of doing something or method. Next is what? A question word used when we want to know more about something. All these are question words only children. Okay. Now where? A question word used when we want to know the place or position. Next one is which? A question word used when we want to make a choice. All these are question words only children, we have learnt. Okay children? Now copy the meanings neatly in your classwork book with the help of reader also. Okay, take the help of reader. Okay children, read the lesson, our story children, We Indians. Okay children, it is given in the reader page number 74 to 80 children. All of you, reading is very important children. Every day you have to do reading practice. Thank you children. Meet you in next class.